Alright, so this is question number 5. So we look, everything's lined up, right? So now we're looking at variables with the same coefficient, different signs. Notice these don't have the same coefficient. If we look at our y's, they do have the same coefficient, but they don't have different signs. If you can remember from the notes, what do we need to do when we have the same coefficient but the same signs? How do we make them into different signs? We need to multiply one of our equations by -1, and it's going to change all of the signs. So I'm going to just multiply this top equation by -1. It doesn't matter which one you multiply by -1, by the way. But when I rewrite it, first we need to remember we're distributing this -1 to everything in the equation, even on the other side of the equal sign. Okay? And then I'm just going to rewrite it underneath right here. So -1 times -2 is going to give us positive 2x. And then -1 times -9y is going to give us positive. So I'm going to put plus 9y equals -1 times -25 is going to give us positive 25. Okay? So now I'm able to solve, right? So now I have same variables, same coefficient, different signs. So I know my y's are going to get eliminated once I add them together. Okay? So -4 plus 2 is going to be -2x. Then we said our y's are going to cancel out. They get eliminated. Bring down your equal sign. Equals -23 plus 25 is going to equal positive 2. So now we're solving for x. So I need to get rid of this -2. Remember, it's a -2. So I'm going to divide both sides by -2. That cancels. All I have left is x. So x equals, what's 2 divided by -2? Should be -1. Okay? So now I'm going to take what I just got for x, and I'm plugging it into one of my original equations. It doesn't matter which one. Probably already know. I'm just going to plug it into the top one. So we have -2. Now instead of writing the x, though, I'm writing -1 and then rewriting everything else. So minus 9y equals -25. Okay? So now I'm solving for y. So at first I need to simplify. So I need to multiply these two together. So -2 times -1 is positive 2. And then bring everything else down. So minus 9y equals -25. Now again, you're solving for y. So you need to get rid of this 9 and this 2. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. Cancels out. So I have -9y. Do not forget that this is a -9y. Okay? So -9y equals, what's -25 minus 2? Should be -27. Now you're solving for y. So you want to get rid of this -9. I'm dividing both sides by -9. So this cancels out. All we have left is y equals -27 divided by -9. It's going to be a positive 3. So I have my x coordinate and my y coordinate. So when I put them in my parentheses, my x goes first. So that's -1, comma my y, which is 3. And that is our answer.